Shilpa and welcome to my channel. So, I've been seeing that a lot of you like my mood board making tutorial videos. So, I thought probably I'll make it a routine thing where I make a wallpaper every month and you guys can see the tutorial of it. So, here it goes. Why is it so hot? Okay, let's make this. So whoever has watched my Canva mood board videos by now know that I go and search for pictures on Pinterest. Yes. So this time my inspiration was basically from my curtains and my bed sheet. My bed sheet is lavender in color and my curtains are dark blue in color, and I thought these two go really well and the mood board will look really good. So on Pinterest, I just scroll around and see different shades of blue, like Persian blue and other shades that I can see it in the shade card. Try to see nice ones, download nice pictures, and come to Canva. Now on Canva, again, I try adjusting these pictures. Now you might think that I do this on all the tutorials. This time I'm going to use a lot of elements which are going to change the way my mood boards or wallpaper covers usually look like. So hold on to that. I'm just using a lot of shapes, sizes to make this whole mood board look a little different than what I've been making all this while. I'm trying to convey something as of mellow but at the same time strong. So yeah, just adjusting, readjusting on different frames and trying to highlight the elements which I want to. For example, the two girls in dark blue dresses, their face is one of the most important thing I feel, and that's why I'm trying to adjust them here and there. And this time I've tried all the possible ways and I've put it in the video so that you guys understand that I do not reach these really beautiful looking wallpapers in one go. I also go through changing it like 100 times and not feeling it. So yeah, just keep changing them. So here I'm just trying to figure out how to make the letters of July pop up, and yeah, I mean, after all the probable things, I find it quite good. So yeah, I'm just moving on to the phone wallpaper now, and on the phone wallpaper I basically copy and paste everything from the desktop wallpaper and try to readjust their sizes so that they suit the wallpaper sizing also, and it doesn't look weird taking the desktop one and directly copy pasting and not even adjusting it. So yeah, I'm actually changing different ways the elements were there in the previous one, like this, the book with lavender flowers. In that, I've just made that as background, which was in the front before, because I feel it looks way better now, but I think something's still missing. I think the adjusting of the pictures is just not really okay. So after the few touches it looks great and I've downloaded it and I'm just gonna show it to you on the main screen, like how does it look. And I find few things a little bit odd, like those graphic flowers, so I'm just gonna replace them with other elements. And yeah, that's about it. For people who would not like to make this, I'm just going to leave a link, Google Drive link in the description. You can download it from there. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you like the fact that I'm going to make it every month. And yeah, if you'd like to download these wallpapers, I'm going to leave a Google Drive link so that you can download and use it for yourself. And yeah, please make sure you subscribe. And until the next video, bye.